Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Magda and I'm a product expert in Foyr. In today's video, we will be designing a dorm room. So let's start. I have the room created. I have windows and doors in place. It's a middle-sized room and it will be designed to accommodate 2 people. I always have an idea of how I want the space to look like, but before I start designing the space, I always go to catalog and I will start searching for items that I need to fit in that space. The ones I think will fit within the concept, I add to my shortlist, and the more items I'm adding to my shortlist, the clearer the concept gets. As you can see, I already added some items into my shortlist, and now I will start designing the space. We will have 2 beds, 2 desks, and separate wardrobes. I will start with desks and I will place them under the windows. Now I will add beds, then wardrobes, and other essential pieces. Now I will switch to 3D, I will change some textures, and then I will accessorize. And our dorm room is ready. Now time for renders. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check the link in the description for 14 days free trial of Foyr Neo. Thank you for watching and happy designing!